Genrich Altschuller's concept is distinct from the traditional development path of a researcher or scientist. It is the path of a creative person. While a scientist is primarily engaged in expanding the body of knowledge through systematic investigation and experimental validation, Altshuller focused on developing inventive thinking through a structured, methodical approach to solving problems and overcoming contradictions. Altshuller argued that creativity is not a random process, but follows objective laws, much like those governing technical systems. He believed that an inventive person should evolve from simply imitating or relying on intuition to mastering a systematic approach using tools like TRIZ. At the empirical level, one might solve problems by trial and error. As the creative person progresses, they move from relying solely on personal intuition to applying algorithmic methods that analyze and resolve contradictions within existing systems. This progression, empirical to intuitive, then algorithmic, followed by a deeper scientific and eventually a genius level, is unique to the path of a creative individual rather than the journey of a researcher. Why is this path different? Unlike the researcher, whose goal is to expand and refine established theories through rigorous experimentation, the creative personality in Altschuller's framework is driven to create entirely new solutions. The researcher might focus on understanding natural phenomena and describing them accurately, while the inventive individual seeks to push beyond current knowledge and invent technologies or methods that can change the status quo. In this context, the aim is not merely to gather and verify information, but to actively challenge and transform existing paradigms by predicting and shaping the future development of technical systems. Altschuller's approach also emphasizes overcoming mental inertia, breaking free from entrenched stereotypes and habitual thinking. For him, the process of inventive problem solving is not a meandering journey with no clear direction. It is a well-defined path that requires mastery of TRIZ principles, systematic analysis, and the ability to transform contradictions into opportunities. While a researcher might experience setbacks and make gradual progress through countless experiments, the creative person on this path is focused on reaching an ideal final result, a breakthrough solution that defies conventional approaches. In summary, Altschuller's concept represents a distinctive path for creative individuals. It is not about the accumulation of knowledge for its own sake, as in scientific research, but about using systematic, objective methods to invent new solutions. This path encourages inventive thinking, critical analysis, and a relentless drive to overcome challenges and create revolutionary breakthroughs. How does understanding this difference help in fostering innovation? By focusing on structured creative methodologies rather than solely on traditional research, individuals can unlock new levels of inventiveness that redefine what is possible in technology and beyond. Creativity is often perceived as an unpredictable process, but TRIZ establishes that it follows systematic principles. Just as scientific fields like physics and mathematics have laws, inventive thinking relies on structured methodologies. TRIZ provides tools such as the contradiction matrix, the 40 inventive principles, and the algorithm for inventive problem solving, ARism, to enhance creative abilities. Understanding technological trends and system evolution allows individuals to generate innovative solutions efficiently. Engineers designing lighter yet stronger aircraft materials use TRIZ principles instead of trial and error experiments. It's like learning a structured language for problem solving instead of relying on random guesses. Altshuller categorized inventors into 5 levels, progressing from trial and error approaches to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. The lowest level involves empirical problem solving, while the highest level allows individuals to predict and shape technological evolution. True creative mastery begins at levels 4 and 5, where problem solving transitions from intuitive methods to systematic knowledge application. Advancing through these levels requires learning TRIZ methodologies, logical analysis, and breaking conventional thinking patterns. A beginner inventor may modify an existing design, while a level 5 inventor develops a completely new class of materials. It's like moving from memorizing chess moves to creating entirely new strategic approaches. Psychological inertia is the tendency to solve new problems using outdated mental models, which limits creative potential. TRIZ offers techniques to break this inertia, including functional thinking, alternative perspective analysis, and using contradictions as a tool for innovation. By challenging deeply ingrained assumptions, inventors can avoid conventional thinking traps and explore unconventional solutions. The ability to redefine problems in new ways is essential for achieving breakthrough innovations. Instead of trying to make internal combustion engines more fuel efficient, TRIZ thinking leads to electric vehicles that eliminate combustion entirely. It's like realizing that improving candle brightness is unnecessary when electric lighting exists. Contradictions lie at the core of all inventive challenges, where one system requirement conflicts with another. Instead of compromising, TRIZ helps resolve contradictions by applying inventive principles that integrate conflicting demands. For instance, a material might need to be both strong and lightweight, and TRIZ guides innovators towards solutions that achieve both. The best solutions remove the contradiction altogether by leveraging alternative scientific effects or system transformations. Aircraft designers replace metal with composite materials to maintain strength while significantly reducing weight. It's like creating a jacket that keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer by using thermoregulating fabrics. The ideal final result, IFR in TRIZ, represents a solution that provides maximum functionality with minimal cost, energy, or components. Rather than incremental improvements, IFR thinking pushes for fundamental system redesigns that eliminate unnecessary elements. Many groundbreaking inventions arise from achieving IFR by removing inefficiencies or shifting to alternative solutions. The goal is to create systems that are highly effective while requiring the least amount of intervention or resources. Wireless charging eliminates the need for cables, moving closer to the IFR of energy transfer without physical connections. It's like removing the need for keys by using fingerprint or facial recognition instead. Scientific discoveries often stem from identifying anomalies, phenomena that do not conform to existing models. Altshuller emphasized structured observation, hypothesis testing, and functional analysis to accelerate discoveries. Many breakthroughs, such as X-rays and superconductivity, resulted from studying unexpected effects rather than purely theoretical work. TRIZ encourages the systematic search for anomalies and unexplored scientific gaps as a direct pathway to new knowledge. The discovery of graphene came from investigating the properties of single layers of carbon atoms, leading to novel applications. It's like noticing an unusual shadow pattern and discovering a new type of optical effect. Altshuller acknowledged that true creativity often requires overcoming intellectual and personal challenges. Inventors frequently encounter skepticism, resistance, and difficulty in convincing others of their ideas. However, TRIZ provides tools to navigate these obstacles by structuring problem-solving processes and minimizing unnecessary setbacks. While challenges are inevitable, systematic problem-solving reduces frustration and increases success rates in innovation. Many great scientists, like Nikola Tesla, faced financial and social challenges despite their groundbreaking inventions. It's like navigating a complex maze, difficult at first, but easier with a clear map. Although originally developed for engineering, TRIZ principles apply to fields such as medicine, business, and artificial intelligence. Any discipline involving problem-solving, innovation, or contradiction resolution can benefit from TRIZ methodologies. By analyzing problems through the lens of system evolution and inventive principles, researchers can find novel solutions in seemingly unrelated fields. TRIZ enables structured innovation across multiple domains beyond just technical inventions. Doctors use TRIZ principles to develop minimally invasive surgery techniques that optimize patient recovery and effectiveness. It's like applying engineering principles to design more efficient workflows in a hospital. Altschuller's methodology continues to evolve, integrating artificial intelligence, data-driven design, and computational creativity. The future of problem-solving may involve AI-driven TRIZ systems that analyze global innovation patterns and suggest optimal solutions. By combining TRIZ with machine learning and interdisciplinary research, the potential for accelerated discovery and technological breakthroughs increases. Educating the next generation of inventors in systematic problem solving ensures continued progress in science and technology. AI-driven TRIZ systems can analyze millions of patents to suggest optimal solutions for new technological challenges. It's like having a GPS system for navigating the landscape of scientific and technological innovation.